Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah, do that several more times.
Okay. Ollie. Ollie. Come. Good boy.
Make sure you get the word come in there, and
Okay.
you're too polite about it.
Okay.
If he doesn't come right away, just a little jerk on the leash, nothing too big, but down toward your knee. Okay.
Ollie. Ollie. Ollie.
Don't
Come.
use his name. He knows you're talking to him.
Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Ollie, come. 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 Good boy.
Don't forget to take a step or two back as he's coming